Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back in the learning of Samina. So good news for all the people because I have heard you. After so many requests, finally I am starting English for beginners course by learning her with Samina, and it's going to be officially on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be starting from basic English to intermediate English to advanced level of English. So we're going to start from tenses to vocabulary learning to sentence formation to paragraph to writing to reading to listening to advanced level to how to be fluent to all of it, because English is a vast language and I'm going to try to cover all of the lectures which are going to be helpful for you guys. And we can do one thing more. You can recommend me whatever you want to learn, whatever you want me to cover, whatever you want me to teach you under the comment section. Okay, so I'm going to look into that and I'm going to try to cover it all. But in the beginning, I will be starting from tenses. I'm going to be starting from each of the tenses. एक एक करके मैं आप लोगों को समझाऊंगी और वो आपने ध्यान से सुनने हैं, because I will be making those videos carefully, जिसमें examples, definitions, information सब चीजें होंगी एक एक tenses को लेकर. फिर उनके बाद we're going to go to the next chapter, फिर next और फिर next, और इस तरह ही हम एक एक सीरीज चढ़कर we're going to go to roof. Because guys, we're not going to go to roof एक ही दफा. ठीक है? We have to take each step and you're going to take those steps with me. So stay tuned for that and stay tuned for my next videos. And first of all, the videos which are coming real soon are the tenses videos. So Allah Hafiz, don't forget to share it and like and comment and suggest whatever you want to.